I love when I see common actors throughout the movies. Like I'll be like, well, she was in that other one that I just watched, and
Yeah,
it's like seeing the yeah.
and
You'll
you'll be
love
at the
Once Upon
point.
a Time in Hollywood
Yeah, but
when DiCaprio does
your
that.
point as well, because you're watching older films, you'll see like someone that's a 60-year-old today being a teenager in one of these films and go, recognize that person. Then you'll have to do IMDb and go, oh my God, I love doing that.
Yeah.
Especially when it's like a film we know, like again, this nostalgia film, you watch a film from the 80s, you remember it, 30 years goes past and you go back and watch it today and you realize that like Brad Pitt's in Thelma and Louise and you go, oh my God,
Yeah,
I didn't know
Is
that
he?
at the time. Yeah,
yeah.
but
Spoiler.
you wouldn't have noticed if you watched it originally. You wouldn't. He's just a bloke, but now he's Brad Pitt. You watch it back again and go, "Holy fuck, that bloke's Brad Pitt."
Rage Whale.